I'm Korean teacher Hyunok Jang.
And I'm Gerhard. I'm learning Korean. In the last 2 lessons, we learned how to combine consonants and vowels to form simple syllables. We learned that the minimum requirements for a syllable are 1 consonant
And 1 vowel.
and 1 vowel. So every syllable needs a consonant and a vowel.
For example, 가, 그 plus 아.
Consonant plus vowel.
Yeah. This is a 1 syllable.
1 syllable.
And this is no.
No.
No. And 다리.
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 2 syllables.
Yes.
1 syllable 다, 1 syllable 리.
리.
Consonant, vowel,
consonant, vowel.
Yes. There are no exceptions to this rule, but there is a placeholder. We use the Korean placeholder when there is no consonant at the beginning of a syllable. You already know the placeholder. We learned it in the first lesson of this series on the Korean alphabet.
Cat,
Yes?
read this.
Ah.
And this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. So 1 vowel.
1 vowel.
Yeah, 1 vowel.
So we need a consonant to make it work, to use it in a sentence.
Yeah. So 1 syllable has 1 consonant and 1 vowel.
That's the rule.
Yes.
Yes.
So we need this as a placeholder.
As a placeholder, we learned this before as a basic consonant.
Yes.
If it's the final consonant, then it's pronounced as the basic consonant If it's the first consonant, we have not learned the final consonant yet.
Yes.
But if it's the first consonant, it's not pronounced, it's the placeholder.
Yeah. So this is ah. And this is yeah.
Yeah.
아, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 으, 이. We always write 아, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 으, 이.
So we always write like this,
Yes.
with a placeholder if there is no consonant.
But we never write like this.
Not in a sentence or in a word. These are just letters.
Yes.
If we use them in language, we always need either a consonant or a placeholder. So there are no exceptions to the rule that we need a consonant and a vowel, but there is the placeholder. We use the Korean placeholder when there is no consonant at the beginning of a syllable. So if we don't have a consonant, we use the consonant as a placeholder. It's pronounced like but only if it's the second consonant, bachim, which we will learn in lesson number 7. At the beginning of a syllable is silent. If a syllable has no consonant at the beginning, there is always at the beginning. So we always have a consonant at the beginning of a syllable, but at the beginning of a syllable is not pronounced and is just a placeholder. These are all the basic vowels we already learned. Here they're just letters. So if we want to write them in words or in sentences, we always have to write like this. Yes?
Yes.
아,
야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 으, 이. Let's practice. Speak along. 아이, 아이. 우유, 우유. 오리, 오리. 이유, 이유. 여유, 여유. 오이, 오이. 아기, 아기. 아야, 아야. 우표, 우표. 야구, 야구. 나이, 나이. 아버지, 아버지. 아파트, 아파트. 투어, 투어. 러시아, 러시아. 아파요, 아파요. 여사, 여사. 오스트리아, 오스트리아. 여자, 여자. 우리, 우리. 어느, 어느. 오다, 오다. 어머니, 어머니. 여기, 여기. 가이드, 가이드. 요리사, 요리사. 아니요, 아니요. 저기요, 저기요. 요리하다, 요리하다. 어디, 어디. 아주, 아주. 여러 가지, 여러 가지. 다이어트, 다이어트. 야구, 야구. 유튜브, 유튜브. 유로, 유로. Easy, right?
Yes. If you need to practice a little more, there is an exercise video for the placeholder linked in the description below. In the next 2 lessons, we will learn all the rest of the letters, the double consonants and the double vowels. Good luck and see you there.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.